right here in the doorway, okay?
I came on excited, but nothing I can do about that. Hey, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head. My friends, thank you for sitting in the doorway. It's going to help keep the water out. I'm kidding, guys. Clear. Nothing keeps the water out. Now, let's make like a dreidel and take this thing for a spin. For your safety, please remain seated with all hands on feet and legs inside the boat and supervise your children. Are we a childless boat? Cool! No, guys, I'm kidding. Welcome to the world famous Jingle Cruise, where we are famous around the world for being world famous. Now, some of you might be asking yourselves, who's this UPS driver in front of me? And let me tell you, my name's Skipper Ryan, and I will be your skipper, your guide, your social director, your dance instructor, and for the next 4 hours, your ho-ho-host. Guys, we're headed into the Amazon, and if you check out either side of the boat, you might spot some large insects lurking in the jungle. These are the rare and elusive humbug. Yeah, if you listen closely, you can hear their call in the wild. Nature. Now we do get a lot of bugs this time of year. If you feel your skin getting itchy, it's probably the fleas, died. But we also get a lot of rain. Yeah, it rains 365 days a year. For those keeping track, that is almost every day, except we're on a leap year, but it's why we celebrate the holidays so much. You know, Santa, he holds the reindeer. Anyways, guys, I'm going to make my way onto the Congo because now I want to see how far we all Congo together. But for anybody who likes to read, check that out. Yeah, I fully missed that one. No, guys, we're going to breeze by that to make our way to Boats and Baits and Bites. Boats and Baits and Bites, of course, is setting up for the holidays. Let's wish them well.
Merry Fishmas! Happy Piranha!
You guys know that one, the Festival of Bites? Anyway, what is this? Guys, this is a mistake. This was supposed to be a partridge in a pair of trees, but instead it's a python. Yeah, but that, these guys can grow up to 15 feet. I wish I could do that. I can only grow 2 of those. Now, that was an explosive reaction. I wonder what all the noises are. Okay, everybody, stay cool. Stay cool. My family is throwing a holiday party up there. I told them I'm out of town. I really don't want to talk. Wait, no, stop staring. They're going to notice. No, hi, Aunt Deb. No, I wasn't trying to sneak by. That would be crazy. No, I did see your daughter gone to Yale. Full ride. You must be so proud. How does my mom feel about my theater degree? She loves it! Guys, she doesn't love it. We gotta get out of here. We're gonna escape near the Nile River, and if you look right over here, you're gonna see an African bull elephant. Fun fact about these guys, they have one of the best memories in the jungle. It's true. I wish I had a memory like that. Probably help me with my job. Oh, guys, an African bull elephant. Fun fact about these guys, they have one of the best memories in the jungle. It's true. I wish I had a memory like that. Probably help me with my job. What was I talking about? Oh, right, the African belt. Guys, we're here to check out one of our boulder attractions. Yeah, that's Jingle Bell Rock back there. But if you look out on the belt, you're going to see some hairy reindeer, some long-necked reindeer, some stripy reindeer, and that's a pride of lions. Now, they gathered for the same reason we all do this time of year, and that's right, folks, it's a holiday feast. And would you look at that, we're having zebra on the rocks. Guys, I'm kidding. He's fine. That's my buddy Emil up there. Yeah, you can tell because they're making a meal out of it. Now, if you look straight ahead, you're going to see the North Pole. Well, it's not north, but it is a pole. At the bottom, you're going to see some elf hyenas, you know, Santa's little yelpers. Right above them, you're going to see the good old Schlemazel himself, Skipper Felix. It's his first day today. I mean, it's probably also his last day today, but then again, guys, what a rhino. Now, as we come around this corner, let me introduce you to 2 more of my friends. Now, some people will tell you that's a gator, but hey, I know that's a croc. This is Smiley and Mr. Frost. Smiley is the larger of the 2, very friendly, nothing to worry about, but you do got to be careful around Mr. Frost. Frost bites. Yeah, typically I get a chillier reaction to that one. Anyway, look right behind me. You're going to see the breathtakingly beautiful Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls, of course, is named after Jungle Navigation Company founder, Dr. Albert Falls. If you didn't get that one, don't worry. We're going to go over it later. Now, let me point out my favorite plants in the jungle. Yeah, they're good. They're good plants, you know. Anyways, folks, welcome to the Hippo Potato Pancake Pool. If you're wondering why it's called that, it's because there's a lot of them. But it is a little bit to worry about, you know, half-off boats and all. But don't worry, I'm going to scare them off the same way my family scares me off every holiday season.
When are you getting married? I want grandkids!
They're gonna go hide in their room for the next hour. We should be fine. Everybody, if you look right behind me, you're gonna see another holiday party I was not invited to. That's right, they're celebrating Chipmas in this neck of the woods. Looks like a swinging good time. But if I can be honest with you, this time of year really does stress me out, you know. Trying to find 8 nights worth of gifts for my entire family for Hanukkah, it's simply too much. Really fills my stomach with butterflies. That guy gets what I'm talking about. See guys, you see butterflies. See guys, you see butterflies. See guys, it's a joke. Never mind. Guys, enough about me. Let's get back to the tour. And it's time. That's right. It's that time of year, that time of season, that time of boat when we celebrate the reason you're all on the Jingle Cruise. The one, the only, the beautiful, the breathtaking, the 8th wonder of the world. The best night of water. See, because it's like H2O again, never mind. Guys, that's a bit of an explosive joke for my chemistry fans on board. I am known to make elemental jokes periodically. Yeah, you hear about oxygen and potassium. It's okay. I think we're about sodium, but now we're on the Mekong River, heading towards another family tradition. That's right, it's time for the trip to temple. If I remember correctly, I'm supposed to mind my manners, be very respectful, otherwise my mom's gonna stare at me until I feel Yiddish.
By the way, this is where the drop happens. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Guys, I'm kidding. You don't have seatbelts. Now, guys, if you would like to take a photo, oh, is that where little Timmy fell down the well? I don't care. Now, guys, it was not a dated reference. They got it. Now, what are you? Stop that. Got it. Sorry, everybody. All the elephants seem to be losing their minds. It's fine. We're going to get out of here before it becomes a bigger issue, okay, everybody? Hey, guys, bigger issue. Duck! Duck! Duck!
Goose. Down. Or gray duck if you're from Minnesota. Weirdos. Nah, guys, I'm kidding. I'm allowed to say that. I'm from Minnesota. Watch this, I'll prove it. Guys, if you look right up there, you're going to see some hibiscus, yeah? Look right down there, you're going to see some low biscuits. Ain't that silly? Yeah, look in the water there, you might spot some sea biscuits. Ain't that just nutty? There used to be more of these jokes. What happened to them? None of your biscuits. Now, guys, I was going to get some plants that I never bought me, so we are going to have to stop by the gift shop. What is happening? Guys, they're having a boxing match. I hope they keep it brief. Oh, an elephant! Fun fact about elephants for you guys. Have you guys have memories of the jungle? It's true. I wish I had a memory like that. Probably help me with my job or something. Now, guys, I don't need an elephant's memory to tell you this next part. We are rapidly approaching the most dangerous part of the journey. That's right, the return to civilization. So a few basic safety reminders for us all. Please remain fully seated with all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Children, supervise your parents, I guess. Now, once we get back to the dock, please exit through the same door you came in through. Anything else is a window, and that would be a real pain. If you feel your feet getting wet as you exit the boat, wrong side, try again. You've been great, you've been really outstanding, but I am going to need you outstanding on that dock. So let me tell you what my mother tells me every single Christmas. She goes, Ryan, we're Jewish, we don't celebrate this one. What now, guys? I am going to need you all to make like Santa and leave my presents. Get out. Everybody, now be a mention, get out of here. Watch your head, watch your head, watch your step, use the camera.